So today I will show you a tutorial how to
If you're new
create
here, make sure to hit that
text
subscribe button
in
and ring the
Line
bell so you never miss an update.
Let's say I have this word. And I'm going to make a line here. First, you click on the text keyframe and then make your own line. Okay, this is good enough, I think. And now on the text keyframes, scroll down, and as you can see, there's a mask option there, and go to text path option and choose mask 1, and you can animate the margin here like this. I will try to animate a little bit so the text like it is a running text on the pad. Okay, I think this is good enough. As you can see, the text is following the line path.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!